In this video, we're going to show you how to set up a custom email domain for Shopify notifications. Using a custom email domain for your Shopify notifications helps make your store look more professional and trustworthy. Instead of sending emails from a generic Shopify address, you can send order confirmations, shipping updates, and marketing notifications from your own branded email like support@yourstore.com. This improves brand recognition, increases email deliverability, and reduces the chances of your emails being marked as spam. The good news is that Shopify allows you to customize your sender email by connecting your domain and configuring DNS records. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up a custom email domain and use it for Shopify notification emails. So, let's get started. The first method is to set up your custom domain email. Before you begin, make sure you have a domain name connected to your Shopify store. You will also need access to your domain provider such as GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Google Domains to update DNS settings. Next, create a branded email address using your domain. For example, you can create emails like support@yourstore.com, info@yourstore.com, or orders@yourstore.com. Most domain providers offer email hosting or allow you to connect services like Google Workspace or Zoho Mail. After creating your email address, go to your Shopify admin dashboard. Click on Settings, then select Notifications. Find the Sender Email section and update it with your new custom email address. Shopify will send a verification email to confirm ownership of the address. Open your email inbox and click the verification link to complete the setup. Next, improve email deliverability by configuring DNS records. Go to your domain provider and locate the DNS settings section. You will need to add or update SPF, DKIM, and possibly DMARC records depending on your email hosting provider. These records help email services verify that Shopify is allowed to send emails on behalf of your domain. Once DNS changes are saved, it may take some time to fully propagate. After everything is set up, test your email notifications. Place a test order in your Shopify store and confirm that the order confirmation email is sent from your custom domain email address. Check both inbox and spam folders to ensure proper delivery. If anything looks incorrect, revisit your DNS settings or verification process. In most situations, these steps are all you need to successfully set up a custom email domain for Shopify notifications. Now, let's quickly recap what we covered. First, create a custom email address using your domain provider. Second, update your Shopify notification sender email and verify it. And third, configure DNS records like SPF, DKIM, and DMARC to improve deliverability. Remember that using a custom email domain not only improves branding, but also increases trust and email delivery success rates. A properly configured email system ensures customers receive important order updates without issues. And that's how to set up a custom email domain for Shopify notifications. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who want to build a successful Shopify store. Your support helps us create more tutorials, e-commerce guides, and practical tips to help you grow your online business. If there's another Shopify feature you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.